Then you might as well kill us, man. Because there is no way in hell we're giving you this fucking pick.
Okay. So be it. Come over here. I'm going to fucking stab you.
What? No. We're not coming over there.
Fine. Stay where you are then. I'm going to come over there. I'm going to slice out your eyes and your balls. And then I am going to stick your eyes in your ball sacks. And then I will take your balls. And I will put them in your eye holes. We can totally outrun it. Totally. Let's bail. Come back here. Come back with my pick. It belongs to me. Free. Catch me if you can.